everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a package we got from Gemini Store.ph. So first of all, I would like to thank Gemini Store for sending us their newest and upgraded cleaning tool. So I am really excited to unbox this one since it arrived weeks ago. So join me as I unbox the product that I got. So let's go. The Scrub Master box, you will see rechargeable cleaning brush, the extension rod, flat brush head, dome brush head, conical brush head, main charger, and a user's manual. Note that there are 3 brushes. The flat brush head is suitable for cleaning large, even surfaces such as floors and walls. Dome brush head, on the other hand, is suitable for cleaning uneven surfaces such as sinks and fittings. The conical brush head is suitable for cleaning spots that are difficult to access, such as corners and joints. Later, we will try the brush we have here. There are 3 things that I like about Scrub Master. First, Scrub Master does not stop spinning when pressure is applied. There are cheaper alternatives online, but a common complaint is that the motor is not as strong. If a fully charged, Scrub Master's motor stops when you scrub the floor. It's considered faulty and covered by the warranty. Second, Scrub Master has improved battery life and charging speed. From 8 hours charging and 45 minutes scrubbing time improved to 5 hours charging and 19 minutes scrubbing time. Amazing! Third, Scrub Master is designed to make cleaning easier and safer. No bending, no stepping on a chair. Do you also know that Gemini Store has been selling scrubbers for 3 years? And during that period, they have honored all the warranty claims that they received. With the success of initial product, they were able to invest in product development. Thus, Scrub Master was born. And good thing, they increased the warranty period from 2 months to 1 year. So that is our Scrub Master cleaning tool unboxing. If you want one, you can purchase it through geministore.ph. And good news, you can avail 10% discount through my discount code IreneD10. I will put all the details below so you can review and check Scrub Master out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until our next feature.